This is paradise. You need to come and experience it for yourself. This is the only home in the area that does not have any obstruction whatsoever, and the backyard is open to the river, the eastern hills, and the phenomenal sunsets. Hi, my name is Avi, and I invite you to come to this spectacular home in this most incredible location. Remember, there is only one Avi in the Napa Valley, so call me for your exclusive showing. This is paradise. This is your mini resort. You don't have to travel anywhere. Dream it, and I'll make your dream come true. So call me.